the story of our love.
Story of our love.
Says that we were meant forever to endure, passing sands of time, for richer or for poor. Our life has a plan, like the story of our love. No love compares to our love. No hearts feel what we feel. Even when we're old, our love will still be new. The story will be told till time itself is through. The whole world will know the story of our love.
Story of our love. Story.